Hey, my beauties, you are going to love this video because today we're exposing why he literally cannot get you out of his head. Like, no matter what he's doing, where he is, or who he's with, somehow you just keep coming back into his mind. And no, it's not luck, it's your vibe, your little habits, your energy, all those tiny things you don't even realize you're doing. So don't skip this because some of these will hit a little too hard. 1. Unpredictable energy. You're not easy to figure out, and that's exactly why he keeps thinking about you. One moment you're soft, calm, and sweet, and the next you're playful, teasing, or a little chaotic. That mix makes every interaction feel different. He never fully knows what version of you he's going to get. That unpredictability keeps his mind active even when you're not there. He replays conversations, wondering what you meant or what you'll do next. It's not confusing in a bad way, it's intriguing. You're not boring. You're layered. And that makes you impossible to forget. When someone is predictable, the mind gets used to them quickly. But with you, there's always something new to notice. You keep things interesting without even trying. He can't place you into one category, and that mystery makes him think about you more than he wants to. Even when he tries to focus on something else, his mind drifts back to you. Because you're not simple. And that's exactly why you stay on his mind. Number 2, little only you habits. It's the small things you do that no one else does. The way you laugh, the way you react, the random things you say out of nowhere. Those tiny habits become your signature. And once he notices them, he can't unsee them. They replay in his mind when you're not around. Something reminds him of you. And suddenly he's thinking about that one little thing you did. It's not even big, but it feels personal. Like something only you would do. Those unique habits make you stand out without trying. You're not copying anyone, you're just being yourself. And that originality hits differently. He starts associating random moments with you. A sound, a joke, a phrase, it all leads back to you. And slowly, you become part of his daily thoughts without even being there. 3. The way you give attention. You don't give attention all the time, and that's what makes it valuable. When you do give it, it feels warm, real, and focused. You actually listen, you actually notice things, and that makes him feel seen. That kind of attention is rare. It's not loud or overwhelming, it's soft and genuine. And once someone experiences that, they miss it when it's not there. That's where the thing starts. He starts remembering how it felt when you were fully present with him. The way you looked at him, the way you reacted, the way you made things feel easy, and now his mind keeps going back to that feeling. Because not everyone gives attention like that. And once he feels it from you, it becomes hard to forget. 4. You don't try too hard. You're not forcing anything, and that's what makes it attractive. You're not chasing, not over-explaining, not trying to impress him constantly. You just exist in your own energy. That natural confidence makes him curious. He wonders why you're so calm, why you're not reacting like others do. It's different, and different always stands out. When someone tries too hard, it becomes predictable. But you don't. You keep your space, your vibe, your independence, and that balance makes him think about you more. Because you're not fully available, but you're not distant either. You're just enough to stay in his mind. Number 5, your voice and way of talking. The way you talk, your tone, your little expressions, they stay in his head longer than you think. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. The softness, the little laughs, the random pauses. He remembers your voice randomly during the day. A sentence you said, the way you reacted, the way you said his name. Those small details stick. Your way of talking feels different from everyone else. It's not forced, it's just you. And that uniqueness makes it replay in his mind. Even silence with you feels memorable. And honestly, when someone's voice stays in your head, it's already deep. Number 6, the way you leave him wanting more. You don't overstay, you don't overdo, and you don't give everything at once. You leave conversations at the right moment. You keep a little mystery. That makes him feel like there's always more to discover about you. He doesn't get bored because you don't give him everything instantly. That slight unfinished feeling makes him think about you later. He wonders what you're doing, what you're thinking, what you'll say next. And that curiosity keeps his mind attached to you. Because you don't close every moment. You leave it slightly open. 7. You feel different. At the end of the day, the real reason he can't stop thinking about you is simple. You feel different. It's not just your looks or your words, it's your presence. The way you make moments feel. He can't fully explain it, but he feels it. Being around you is not like being around others. It's softer, deeper, and a little addictive. That feeling stays with him even when you're gone. It's not something he can ignore easily, and that's what makes you unforgettable. Because when someone feels different in the best way, they don't leave your mind. Sometimes it's not about doing more. It's about the little things, the energy, and the way you naturally are. That's what makes someone stay in someone's mind. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync, and tell me in the comments, what do you think makes someone unforgettable?